I think more specifically, it is called a free particle system, and people tend to call it powder technology. Say like in our company, Dow Chemical, we call it solid processing, or call it particle technology, or free particle processing. People call it different names, but basically, they are the same point is we are dealing with fine particles, with powders. Then among the free particle system, free particle processing, there are different technologies. And here we are going to focus on the separation part. And of course, you can see there are a bunch of others technology to handle powders, handle particles. And many of you, I believe, also involved with some of the others, one time or the other. Now, here is come to something you probably already know that. Then among the separation, there are a few different kinds of separation. But the two biggest branch is solid liquid separation, and we tend to abbreviate it with liquid filtration. Just to kind of standing on my soapbox to preach again that, okay, strictly speaking, you know, liquid filtration is not the right term, okay, because when you use centrifuge, when you use gravity settling, that is not filtration. But those are also a very important separation technology used for separate particles from. And then the next one is the gas air filtration, and tend to call it solid gas separation, be more consistent with solid liquid separation. But in this field, it's even more obvious. People tend to say air filtration because probably 95% of the application is related to air. And then there are also liquid gas separation, like a demister or liquid gas coalescing or liquid-liquid separation. But these two branches, compared to these two, are much smaller. So that's why in our courses, we offer these two. And within these two, we cover a little bit of this. Not much, but some of this. Okay. Now, for solid liquid separation or gas filtration, whatever term you want to call it, two separation mechanisms. One is so-called ready filtration. Okay. Now, the difference between filtration and the so-called separation or non-filtration operation. Do you know what's the difference there? Whatever operation involved with a filter media, you use a media to separate particles. That's called filtration. And whatever operation without a filter media, like a gravity sedimentation, right? When you do a settling, there's no media. That's called separation normally, or called non-filtration. Then among the filtration, there are 4 different mechanisms, key mechanisms: straining, cake filtration, depth filtration, or membrane filtration. Actually, it's called cross-flow filtration. Okay, we are going to explain a little bit more, so you don't need to kind of in a hurry to write down the notes.